Banks may still be closed, but bankers are already at work. Jean Liu leads an international team of RMB experts at Standard Chartered Bank, the world's #2 trade bank. This morning, she's meeting her African colleagues.
It become my daily work, actually, RMB, along with the BNR initiatives. And we talk to the clients in the solutions, and we talk to the regulators, try to embed it, RMB solutions into what we offered to the clients. Clients has been benefited from these RMB initiatives. When we go to the African countries to meet our corridor bankers locally, RMB is the inevitable topic to our daily work.
Mid-morning at the Beijing branch of the world's largest bank, ICBC. Irina Kulagina, the chief representative of Russia's Pромsvязьbank, is exchanging yuan for rubles. Having been in China since the two countries piloted currency trading, she has seen the yuan-ruble trade grow.
Now, for financing in RMB, we have a very substantial portion that we are doing in RMB. Like we are issuing letters of credit in RMB, and we are arranging financing for both sides together with the Chinese banks, also in RMB. And portion of this business is already 58%.
Russia is the first country to offer yuan trading on its currency exchange, important for a future world where oil may not be priced in US dollars.
Even for banking business itself, if we are going to enter Chinese market now, we are no longer limited to ending qualification for a long time. We can get it pretty soon after the opening.
Lunchtime. Sunny Lee, Auscham accountant, is using yuan to pay for goods, something that can be done increasingly in countries ranging from Sri Lanka to Zimbabwe.
When we go traveling abroad, we don't have to take a lot of foreign currency. Local shops take RMB as payment. That is a good trend. For us consumers, RMB internationalization reduces the exchange process, which is more convenient. Nowadays, most people like to travel abroad. There is no need to exchange money beforehand. In the future, I think the yuan's role would grow steadily in the world.
Midday at the mother of all Chinese banks, the central bank, which decides how much money to channel into the 165 trillion yuan money supply. For the yuan to become truly global, there needs to be more trading in the yuan, more payments settled in the yuan, more countries holding the yuan as reserve currency, and the PBOC itself needs to become more transparent in its policies. Huang Yiping, PBOC advisor and banking veteran, tells us the key ingredient to getting currency reforms back on track.
What you really need is a kind of level of confidence. So if you really want to internationalize your currency, you need a strong economy, you need a liquid and a large financial market, but you also need a good institution to protect property rights. Whether or not we will become a dominant reserve currency like the US dollar, I think that's a very long-term story.